Hello, my name is Nikki Drake, and in this video, I'll be discussing how to create a free Zoom account. Zoom is a communications platform that allows users to connect with video, audio, phone, and chat. Using Zoom requires an internet connection and a supported device. Most new users will want to start by creating an account and downloading the Zoom client for meetings. In this video, we're going to be focusing on how to create a free Zoom account, starting with accessing the internet using a browser. This can be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge, etc. We're going to use Google Chrome. So we're going to click on the Google Chrome icon. Once we have opened our browser, we're going to type into the address bar at the top, zoom.us/sign up. At this page, you can see what a free basic account entails. Meetings with up to 100 participants, unlimited number of meetings up to 40 minutes each, secure HD quality audio and video, screen sharing, team chat for collaboration out of meetings, 3 editable whiteboards, and joining from mobile, desktop, and your favorite apps. Now we're going to follow the prompts starting with let's get started, and it says to enter an email address. We're going to use betsyross955@gmail.com and press continue. It says to check your email for a code, please enter the verification code sent to your email address betsyross955@gmail.com. We have Betsy Ross's email inbox here in this tab, and as you can see, there's an email from Zoom. And you can see the verification code 640687, which we'll enter here. 640687, and then press verify. To create your account, it says enter your full name and password. So we're going to fill in these fields here, starting with first name, so we're going to use Betsy, last name Ross, the password. To make it simple, well, it says we have to fill in these requirements. Have at least 8 characters, have at least 1 letter, have at least 1 number, include both uppercase and lowercase characters, and it says the password must not contain 4 consecutive characters, and these are some examples. So let's try using Daisy 1 4 2 3 exclamation. And we're going to confirm our password by typing in the same thing. So Daisy 1 4 2 3 exclamation. And you can see that those match. And then it says for educators, check here if you're signing up on behalf of a school or other organization that provides educational services to children under the age of 18. Say we want to use it for our personal use and we're not an educator, you can just leave this blank and press continue. Now you can see it says welcome to Zoom. We're happy you're here. Next we'll show you how to get started with Zoom in a few easy steps. First, you can say never here for saving the password, and then you can click let's go. So now, say we log out of this, we can always log back into Zoom by pressing sign in on Zoom. So we'll do that now to demonstrate. For the email address, we'll put in betsyross955@gmail.com and the password, and you can press this I to show you the password, Daisy 1 4 2 3 exclamation. And that is how you sign in to your Zoom account, and that is how you create a free Zoom account. Stay tuned for the following video in which we discuss how to download the Zoom desktop client. Thank you.